Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So it seems like Solana really wants to top up here. I cannot rule out that we still do another extension, but to be honest, with another extension, it would look a little bit odd. It would have to be a reset of wave 4 now, okay? So that's the only way how another extension could take place from here. Basically just in a wider, it would be a wider flat structure where the price came down in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, and is now coming down in C. But this just doesn't look right anymore. I would assume now that we have topped. I will not confirm it fully, but I would assume it. And the reason is that it looks like a very clear three-wave move. I mean, it can always be a WXY. And as I said to you, it would really need a break below 49.40 to really confirm that we have topped. And then it is likely here it is likely the fourth wave, yeah, the larger degree fourth wave. Basically this pullback that many out there have waited for. So what does that mean? So we've got this trend channel here. We've had that on the chart for a while. It seems like that this third wave has now topped. I mean, I will still not fully rule out an extension, but I will put the question mark wave 3 up there and just assume now that we have topped. So like this, because the size of the pullback is very noticeable now, and we've taken out micro support. Not really the really relevant $49.40 level for another extension, but still. It's quite a large correction, and yeah, again, you know, it's still not fully confirmed, but I guess tomorrow or so we should have some clarity, maybe in the next few days. And just wanted to zoom out to show you what this wave 4 would include. Now, what we're dealing with there is this ABC structure, ABC. And it should still get into this white region, white box that I shared with you already a few days ago, between $42.80 and $49.30. Here, we will likely start a B wave and then come down once more. So the actual wave 4 should actually land somewhere here. That would be my preferred scenario. And I mentioned that before. That has to do with the situation that the wave 2 was quite large. It took several weeks to complete the wave 2. So oftentimes in crypto, when the wave 2 takes a certain length, the wave 4 will take a certain length as well, before then the wave 5 starts. So just be prepared for potentially a long pullback. It takes as long as it takes. It might even be faster, but I would rather prepare people for a more substantial correction in an A, B, C correction than highlight, oh, you know, it might only take a few days and then it will take ages. So just be prepared mentally. Probabilities would suggest it's a more, let's say a longer correction, yeah, larger duration, longer duration. The thing is, a wave 2 and a wave 4 often have the same length in crypto, not always. But if we now see a break below $49.40, then it is likely that this is this wave 4. But it seems like, due to the size and the duration, that it's only the A wave of the wave 4, which would then lead to a B wave and a C wave. Once we have the A wave in place, we can also calculate a target for the B wave, or resistance area at least. And once we have the B wave in place, then we can calculate a target for wave C. And it seems like it might get to $40.50, maybe even $34.40. But to be honest, I would like to avoid a break below the price channel. So ideally we avoid that. Does happen in diagonal structures. Remember, this is overall a diagonal. Sometimes you get a break below the trend channel and then a quick recovery. But ideally we avoid it for clarity. So what we are going to watch for is in this support area here. First of all, this Fibonacci zone that I mentioned to you already. Then when we get the B wave done, down here, for example, the $40.40 level and the trend line and any other Fibonacci ratios that we can calculate along the way. Now, it could only now still, if it gets a bit of a stick safe here, it can sort of still do another extension, but it would need to do that now basically. It would confirm that with a direct break above the $62 level, and then could still get to $71, $79, and so on. Yeah, just a quick update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.